First, AI-powered robot lawyer will represent a defendant in court next month. Is AI the thing right now? It's amazing.
Oh, it's everywhere.
It's amazing, isn't it? Because at first it seems like the AI thing, like a lot of other things, it goes up, it goes down. It becomes a really hot topic, and then it goes away for a bit, and then it comes back. And anytime you have a really nice demo, a really good tech demo, state of the art, where are we at right now? It gets everybody fired right back up. And that's, of course, I'm talking about ChatGPT. I'm talking about Mid-Journey and everything else. And
Stable Diffusion.
Exactly. Yeah. All of the above. So right now it's the hot topic. When I go through my algorithmic reading sessions, it comes up more than anything else, I would say, at this moment. And it's bringing up all types of moral dilemma type conversations. It's bringing up conversations around copyright. It's bringing up conversations around media and advertising. I am finding an angle and a spot in which this is impacting almost everything. It has education. Did I say education? And here we have a law, legal. They're saying, okay, I can't afford a lawyer. I'll get the robot to do it. The robot is now legal defense, which is obviously AI in this circumstance. Is this a publicity stunt? Possibly. A robot lawyer powered by artificial intelligence will be the first of its kind to help a defendant fight a traffic ticket in court next month. Joshua Browder, CEO of Do Not Pay, said the company's AI creation runs on a smartphone, listens to court arguments, and formulates responses for the defendant. The AI lawyer tells the defendant what to say in real time through headphones. The robot lawyer will take its first case on February 22. At 1:30 p.m., history will be made. For the first time, a robot will represent someone in a U.S. courtroom. Do Not Pay AI will whisper in someone's ear exactly what to say. We'll release the results and share more after it happens. Wish us luck. Can you imagine every traffic ticket in history now? Everyone is just defending on their smartphone with their earpiece. The judge is like, enough, right? Then the judge actually downloads the same AI. So they're just...
All the AIs are just fighting each other.
Combating one another. And the humans are just watching. Like, isn't it? It can happen. This whole thing can happen a lot more rapidly than I feel like we're aware. We kind of get caught in the blinders over there. We're kind of the deer in the headlights. And then we look up and we're like, oh, yeah, of course that's happening. Of course those robot lawyers are arguing right now. It just creeps up on you. So presumably you can make a lot of money with some AI like this.
I guess because it's so scalable, right?
A lot of
if it's an app on your phone.
A lot of traffic.
Save you some money on a ticket.
But you start to think of all the other places that this can be.
Well,
you think about like triage. Have you ever been to the hospital and you have to explain what's wrong with you and there's a person sitting there? That could just be AI as well. Right?
Instant translations as well.
Symptoms. And actually, I have a story about translations. I don't know if it made it in today. It probably did. It might be a couple tabs over. Let's go. Let's keep moving.